Hey guys, so today we're trying out something new. I figured I'd give Model 1s another chance. I saw on Amazon that they had this neat little beginner's kit. It was on sale, and I know a lot of people were asking about cheap beginner's kits, and I figured I'd give them another chance, see what it's about. It's supposed to have everything you need in it to do a set, so we are going to check it out. So I got the pink one. It came with two pinks and like a pink glitter. Let me show you those. Came with these here. Pretty colors, you know. But it came with a dapping dish, a brush, which I already took the brush out because it was kind of bent and I was trying to get it back into shape. It was bent in half in the package, so I was trying to get it back to normal shape. Comes with a lot of forms. I'm not really going to use these today, but we will check them out, see if they're any good. 3 of the small jars of color, and a little bottle of monomer. Not a ton, but, you know, it's enough for, you know, a couple sets. The jars aren't huge, but they're not bad either. So, the colors looked really pretty, though, so we're gonna check them out. And it came in this neat little kit, so. Now, it doesn't have files or anything like that, but has everything else. No tips or glue, but it does have the forms, so we're just going to check it out. It kind of gives you a little how-to guide here. And then how to contact customer service and some quick tips, so. I will say I'm not a huge fan of their monomer. It is super strong. And last time I used it, it was clear. I don't know if it still is, but yeah, it's still pretty strong. It comes in a sealed box. First, let's touch on this brush real quick. It is nylon, absolutely 100%. You can kind of see there. But, you know, we'll give it a shot and see how it works. And like I said, this kit was under $20. So, normally it was about $18. I think I paid $12 for it. So I figured, what the hell, let's give it a shot, right? So I'm going to get everything all set up, and we're going to check out the acrylics, see how well they do. Oh, it's purple now. Oh, hey, it's purple now. Okay, so they changed some things. That's cool. So that helps with the yellowing. Because I know when it was the clear stuff, it yellowed pretty bad. Well, I've seen worse. It wasn't awful. It wasn't horrible. It just did yellow after a bit, though. So we're going to check it out. So it came with kind of a light sheer, more sheer pink, a really solid pink, and then a pink glitter. Like a see-through pink with like a opalescent glitter, so we're gonna check them all out. But I think for the price, if this, you know, if it works, it's not bad, especially if you have your own brush. Like if you already have a brush, I see nothing wrong with it, but we're gonna give it a shot. You all know about my issues with Model 1s, so so one is more of a nude pink, and the other is more of a brighter white pink. Alright, so let's start with this one. So it beads up okay. Let's see how this brush does. It is pretty dry, so make sure you're using wet beads because it's very dry. Which I don't normally mind, just because it allows you to work it better. It's not running everywhere. That's a personal preference thing, though. I will say I'm not a fan of the brush. It's clogging up pretty quick. You can kind of see it's not doing great. So I'll probably switch out brushes here in a minute. It's manageable, for sure. I wouldn't expect to get more than 1 or 2 uses out of this brush, though. Just because, since it's nylon, you're not going to be able to clean the acrylic out of it very well. Well, the color's somewhat even on that one. Still beating up really good, so I'll give it that. It's not marbling very bad, which for Model 1s is something. But you can kind of see the brush is just refusing to let go of that acrylic. Which is going to cause you problems later. I guess it is marbling a little bit. Yeah, see, it's causing me problems now because it's picking up the acrylic I already laid down because this won't come out of the brush. So I'm going to switch brushes. Let's do this one. Okay. First we'll fix this. That's better. I would say if you've got a pretty good grasp of acrylic, you can do this. You can get this one. If you're just starting out, I wouldn't. Like I said, if some products just, even though it says it's for beginners, you're gonna have to compensate. They say beginners because people won't know any better and they'll buy it not knowing that it's not working correctly. And you're not going to be able to compensate for the problems you're going to have with it. So the color's not awful. You know, I'm a fan of pinks. And it didn't marble too badly, so did have a little trouble laying it, so it's a little lumpy, but let's check out this glitter. I am actually getting to enjoy glitter more and more now that I'm figuring out how it works. So it is pretty. And the glitter's a little more dry. So you're definitely going to want to use wetter beads with this. Or what I'm finding is working is laying the bead down and then going back and getting the brush wet and then kind of re-wetting the bead on the nail. That's working for me. But you know, you do you. That is pretty. It's a little sheer from my, well, no, actually, I kind of like the sheer pink. Still clogging up my brush a little bit. You can kind of see there it's not really coming very clean, which is an issue I've had with Model 1's acrylic before. It gets, I've messed up a couple of brushes with their acrylic because it doesn't want to come out. And then I have to soak it in acetone, or acetone doesn't work for some reason. So be aware of your brush if you decide to go for this. But you know, some people get, you know, swear by Model 1s, and I'm finding the more I work with it and the more I get to, I guess, get to know it, the easier it's getting for me. I don't recommend it if you're just starting though, because like I said, you're going to have to compensate and you're not going to know what to do with that. So I would definitely say give yourself some time to learn with other acrylics before you go for this. Alright, let's try out that white pink really quick and then we will wrap this up. Like I said, this brush, no. That's a no on that brush. I'm not a fan. It's not going to last you more than one use, so. Alright, real quick here. Just touch this one really quick and then we'll check out those forms. So this is more of a brighter, more solid white pink. Less sheer, more pigment. And real quick, so when I ordered this, I got it the other day, and then today, my mail ran, and you guys will get a kick out of this. My mail ran, and there was another one in the mail. I only ordered one. I went back and checked. So I contacted Amazon and let them know that they sent me too many, and they told me to keep it. Wasn't worth it to send it back. Okay, I'm not really a big fan of this one. I don't know if it's the amount of pigment or what, but it's got a weird wet toilet paper vibe to it, and it's not wanting to lay properly. Yeah, you can kind of see what I mean there. And that might have been my fault. I wasn't paying close attention. So they sent me an extra one. Told me to keep it. So if anyone is interested, I know, you know, times are kind of tough right now, and if you're okay working with Model 1s, comment in the comments section, and if you would like this kit, and in the morning I will do a draw a name thing, like a little raffle, and I will pick a name, and then in tomorrow's video I will announce who that winner is and get in contact with them. So if you're interested, like I said, it's not the greatest, so if you're not, you know, totally okay. But times are tough, supplies are expensive, so if you would like to try this one out, comment your name under this video and I will put you into the little spinny wheel thingy, you know. I will say, for it being so pigmented, it's not marbling, so I'll give it that. Like, that's pretty cool. Usually when you have stuff that's white is awful to work with anyway, and this is a white base. So, and when something's really pigmented like this, it tends to marble really badly, and this isn't doing that, so that's cool. It is kind of, like I said, kind of dry, so that is not my best application. But as far as the colors are gorgeous. Like, I do like the colors. They're very pretty. Let's see if you can get a good look at them. Ignore that one, I didn't do great there. Like, the colors are good. It's good, solid color, and let me get that. This is gonna drive me nuts that it's not even, that it's like lumpy. We'll get there. It's my own fault for doing it on full coverage tips. Alright. So those are the colors that come in that kit. Like I said, I got it on sale for $12, which, you know, that's not too bad. As long as you're okay with, you know, I know some people love it, and if you're a fan of Model 1s, it's a great deal. So, alright, let's pop these away. Let's check out the forms, see how well they stick really quick, and then I will let you guys get back to your regularly scheduled evening. So, what I've decided to do now is, I said I was going to do a birthday giveaway, so that's what we're doing here. I was going to order something off of Amazon, but then this came and I'm like, oh, well, that'll work too. So what I've decided to do is the stuff I review from now on, I am going to be ordering doubles of, and then just doing giveaways once a week with the stuff that I've ordered for the week. So, like, I'll order a set to use on camera and then a set to give away. So that's how we're going to do it from now on, and at the end of the week I'll do a raffle with the spinny wheel thingy. That way it gives everybody a fair chance. And then we'll do it that way. You know, that seems... I was trying to come up with better ideas for giveaways, and I think that's probably the most fair way to do that. So that's what we're going to do from now on. So the forms are sticking so far. Yeah, they're sticking. I had issues with their forms, with their last forms, because they just didn't stick at all. But these are pretty secure. I mean, they're not the best shape, but they're definitely secure. So yeah, all in all, not bad. I'm kind of surprised. I was prepared to hate it because, you know, me and Model 1s, but not awful. And the pink glitter is really cute. Anyway, so comment your name down below if you want this kit, and I will draw the names tomorrow and announce it in tomorrow night's video. And I'm at about 300 subscribers now, and at 400 we're going to do the Young Nails Core Kit giveaway. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to put the names in a raffle, and I'm going to set it up on a certain video for anyone who wants to be entered to enter their name. It'll be closer to the 400 mark, but that's how we're going to do it, the same way we're doing this. So, as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, yada yada. And stay tuned for more prizes. Thanks!